Hello everybody, today we're going to be learning about the past perfect, and this is our next edition of Spanish lessons. Okay, so this Spanish lesson is on the past perfect. And the past perfect is used to express what someone has done in the past. Okay, and so here's some English examples. I have eaten. She has traveled. He has cooked. They have skied. And a final English example is we have paid the bills. Okay, so in this past perfect, you use the following beginnings. You use, for yo, you use a. For to, you use us. For él y usted, you use a. For ellos, ellas, ustedes, you use on. And for nosotros, you use hemos. And I'm not going to get into vosotros because I don't use it. Okay, and the following endings. You use the following endings after taking away the infinitive AR, ER, or IR. So AR, ER, IR. Get those out of there, and then you use the following endings. For AR, you use auto. For ER, oopsies. For ER and IR, you use Edo. Okay? And I'll give you just a few examples to clear this up in just a second, so you can get that. And there's a lot of irregulars. For example, escrito, I have written, but we're just going to get into the regular verbs today. So let's dissect the past examples that we used. So one of the examples that we used, let me scoot this forward a little bit, is I have eaten. In Spanish, that would be yo, okay, right? I have eaten. So to eat is comer, and for ERs for ER verbs you use ido. So yo he comido. I have eaten. She has traveled would be ella, right? For she. Has would be a. And viajar is the infinitive to travel, and you take the AR away and you add viajado. Ella ha viajado. She has traveled. He has cooked. Él ha cocinado. He has cooked. Él ha cocinado. Okay? He has cooked. Okay. And let's try. They have skied. Ellos is for them. They on have skied. See if you can guess what it is. Esquiar is the verb to ski. That's a hint. Did you guess it? Good job. It's esquiado. Ellos han esquiado. They have skied. And then finally, we have paid the bills. This is a good one. Maybe because we haven't. We have paid the bills. Okay. Hemos, for we, right? We, or nosotros would be we, but have would be hemos pagado. Okay. Pagado for paid, because pagar is to pay, and pagar is an AR verb. It's pagar. Take that AR off, so it's you got pag, and now you add the ADO, and you got pagado, or hemos pagado las cuentas. And there you go. And make sure to remember that the endings like ado and ido do not change. These do not change. Change, it's a delta sign. Do not change if you have yo or el or eos or nosotros. They never change. It would be, this changes right here. On and hemos and a and that changes according to this, right? Here, this. These connect. But the ending itself, okay, the ado, the ido, you don't get any, or the ado there, and the ido here, that does not change. So remember, that does not change, whether it's yo or eos or anything like that. Well, gracias para escuchando. That means thank you for listening, and adios.